Do you want to know how you can make these yummy buns in your house, in your home? Yummy, delicious with coconut milk and coconut flakes. Stay right here with me and I will show you how you can make it in your home. Very yummy, very exquisite. Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Grey Glamour. Once again, welcome back. Thank you for the likes, for the shares, for the comments, and for subscribing to my channel. If you have not, please consider subscribing to encourage me. The first step is to sieve 3 cups of all-purpose flour. 3 cups, I mean each cup is 125 milliliter. So I use 3 cups. You sieve the flour and then you add the nutmeg. I added nutmeg just for flavor. You can add any flavor of your choice. You can use lemon zest as flavor, orange zest, or vanilla flavor. It depends on your choice. Then you add sugar. You can measure the amount of sugar you want. You can use less sugar or more sugar, depends on your taste. Then 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. You mix all the dry ingredients together. Don't forget to add a handful of coconut flakes. Next, you add the eggs. Mix everything together. Mix the egg with the dry ingredients together until they form like breadcrumbs. And then you now add the coconut milk. Remember that the coconut milk also contains water, so in this video I'm not going to add any water to the mixture because the coconut milk contains water, so it will serve as both milk and water for the dough. Add the milk little by little, don't add everything at once. As you add, you mix very well. You will notice that the consistency is becoming softer as you are mixing it. So you just have to be careful not to overdo it. Add more milk and keep on mixing. Keep on turning the dough until you achieve this consistency that I am about to show you now. It has to be soft, a soft consistency, so that when your buns comes out, they will come out yummy on the inside and crispy on the outside. When you have achieved this consistency, just set it aside for like 10 minutes. And meanwhile, we will heat up the oil. Here I am using sunflower oil for the frying. You can as well use coconut oil if you so wish, or groundnut oil, depends on your choice. Then check for the temperature of the oil by placing a skewer inside the pan and listening to the noise that it will make. And then the oil is ready for frying. Use your hand to scoop the dough and put into the oil. Make sure you are frying on medium heat because high heat will not make the inside to cook very well. This is a very easy and healthy way to make snacks for your children, for your kids. Instead of you to buy snacks every day, from the shops. You can make it comfortably in your home. At least you know what your kids are eating, you know. Not only for your kids, you can also make this and take to work for your lunch. Enjoy it with any soft drink of your choice or with water. And that way you save money, you increase your health, and then, you know, generally you are good to go. So you fry until they are golden brown and your yummy coconut Nigerian buns is ready. It is very much ready to be enjoyed. Thank you for sticking to the end of this video. We have come to the end and I really appreciate your support and your love. Please like, share, and comment on the video. If you have not subscribed, please do so. If you have subscribed, thank you so very much. See you in my next video. Don't forget to stay hydrated. Bye. And I've been killing all the shows. It has to the top, but they never reach my toes. My niggas still around, they know how the story goes. Papa God picked me, man, I'm the one that he chose. Sup? I just wanna talk to you. Sup? Nah, nah, nah. I just wanna talk to you.